Benny is now 12 weeks old. Just a little bit ago, he was only 6 weeks old. What the heck, Benny, you're growing. You're becoming a big boy. Benny! Come here! Come here! Let's go! Come on! Come on! Yeah! Get over here! Get over here! Say hi to everyone. Say hi to everyone. Yeah. He's such a playful little guy. Are you playful? Everyone loves you, Benny. Every single person loves you. Because you are so cute. You are so cute. Yes, you are. His ears are finally up. It was cute, because when he was first beginning, only one ear was up. Went through some hardcore ear puberty. Now they're both up, and he's becoming a playful little beast. I can't wait to take him on the incline. That'll be fun.